The water-fed pole is a good method for window cleaning and it comes as a complete system. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the water-fed pole system works at cleaning windows. In the water-fed pole method, we don't use tap water. Reason is, it'll leave hard watermarks all over the glass when it dries. This is because inside tap water, there are total dissolved solids, or TDS for short. What are they? Well, they're impurities that are inside the water, such as minerals, like magnesium or calcium, and they can be chemicals such as chlorine. Rainwater is naturally soft. It's when it comes into contact with the ground that it picks up TDS. If you live in an area with porous rocks such as limestone, you're going to have harder water, like in the southeast of England. Or if you live in an area where there's granite, you'll have softer water, like up in Scotland. TDS is measured in parts per million. You'll see on the table below, if it's 0 up to 50, it's soft water. If it's 51 up to 100, it's moderately soft. And then once you get over 100 parts per million, it's hard water. You'll see from 101 up to 150 parts per million, it's slightly hard. From 151 to 200 parts per million, it's classed as moderately hard. And then from 201 to 275, it's classed as hard water. From 276 up to 350 parts per million is very hard. And anything over 350 parts per million is aggressively hard. Here I'm using a TDS meter to see what my TDS levels are out of the tap. And you'll see at my house it's 253 parts per million, which is classed as hard water. This is why we use purified water. It's tap water with all the TDS removed, so it'd be 0 parts per million. And we use this using the water filtration unit. I'll make another video on how I make purified water. Using a submersible pump and a transfer hose, I then move the pure water from my holding tank into my 500 litre tank in the back of the van, and that's what I bring to you. Using the control unit and the pump, this allows me to get the pure water from my tank through all my equipment onto your windows. In my van I have two 100 metre electric hose reels. This allows me a good reach to get to all the windows around your property. Using the underfloor roller guides, I can pass my hose through the bottom of the van and it allows me to work from the van with the doors shut for extra security. Another important part of the water-fed pole system are the water-fed poles and the brushes we use themselves. I connect the hose to the bottom of my water-fed pole, and then this allows me to get the brush to your windows. Using a specially designed brush with pure water on the entire time, we agitate all the dirt from the frames, glass and windowsills. The pure water acts like a magnet and all the dirt is lifted from the surfaces into the water itself. This is why we need to rinse all surface areas and the glass, so we get rid of the old dirty water, replace it with the fresh purified water, which remember has got 0 parts per million. This is why when left alone it will dry off naturally and leave no hard water stains or smears. If you like the video, why not give us a thumbs up? If you've got any questions, then please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you're new here, why not consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell icon to stay notified of any new videos. Look forward to seeing the next video. Bye for now.